In this video, I will show you how to play the American TV lottery. This is a very easy process and you don't have to pay anyone for it. I will show you how. Now, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to play the American TV lottery, the first thing you have to do is to come to the official website. And here is the official website. It is dvprogram.state.gov. So in the description there is a link. You can just click on it and quickly access the link. Any link apart from this one is a scam and you shouldn't follow it. This is the only official website for playing TV lottery. So once you have that, it's going to come to this dashboard here, and here's how it looks like. The very first thing I advise you to do is to go to the instructions and read them. All right, spend enough time and read the instructions. They are very simple to read. Once you've read the instructions, you come back here. Now, one of the very most important thing when it comes to playing the American TV lottery is your photo instructions. Please do not skip this one. Go ahead and see the various photo examples that are accepted for the American TV lottery. Now, here are the samples of photos that are accepted. It should be a passport size photo, a square photo, passport size, and it should show your face and your top shoulder. Now, it should be in a good lighting area and the background should be white. That's the instructions for your photo. So you should not have any shadow. Your lighting should be good and the photo should not be edited. If you scroll down a bit, you can read them. Here are the various instructions. And then in these 5 photos below here, you can see that the 3 to my right are wrong and the only 2 options that are correct are those to my left. So these are the instructions that you have to read and make sure to take the right photos. Now, I always recommend, if you want to take a good photo, you can use a good phone, maybe an Android device that like a Samsung or a Google Pixel or a Redmi phone, or you can use an iPhone. iPhone is the best option because their camera quality is very good, and also your background should be white. You can use a white cloth or you go to a white wall. If you don't have all of these, you could get a professional to take you a quality photo. Now, once you have your photo, you have to come back to where you have to play the lottery. Now, once you are here, you come to begin entry. Now, this is where it's very important. The details are going to be following. If you miss any detail, your request might be denied because of the mistake you made. So please pay close attention. Now, once you are here, the first thing you have to do is to put in this authentication code, NXXBE. Always make sure to follow it correctly. Now you submit. Now you come over here. So here are all what you have to fill, and we are going to quickly fill that with a sample name. All right, so the first you have to fill is your last name, and I'm going to fill mine. My family name is my mom. My first name is Bernard, and my last name is Dawo. So that's it. Do not make any mistake. Please follow attentively, and this name should be as they are on your birth certificate or identification document. Once you fill that, you have to choose your gender. Obviously, I'm male. If you're a female, you choose your gender. Now, my month of birth, I was put to bed in 09, that's September 23rd, and year 1989. So that's my year. Now, my city in which I was put to bed, please make sure to enter the right city. So I'm going to put a city here. If you don't know your city, just go ahead and click birth city unknown. All right, but it's good to put your city. So I'm going to put an example here. Here's my city, and at my country, I'm going to choose my country. So you're going to scroll all through here and choose your country. So I'm going to choose Cameroon, for instance. That's my country. So are you claiming eligibility based on the country where you were born? Yes. Please make sure to read everything correctly. Now, once you are done here, you have to put in your photograph. And I already show you how to choose your photograph. So if you snap your photograph in your phone, just have to click on here and then choose it from your photo library. Once you've done that, you have to put in your mailing address. The first one is optional. Your address line, I'm going to put my address line. I'm at Street 2. Address line 2 is optional. My city, all right, I'm going to choose a city. That's my city in which I am. And then my province, depending on your country, you have to put it correctly. That's my country. And then The next thing, postal code. In my area there is no postal code, so you can either put no postal code, but if you know your postal code, just go ahead and put it. Now in my country, I'm going to select my country again, which is Cameroon. Once I've selected my country, now I have to choose the country in which I live currently. So I come over to Cameroon. If you're in a different country but you're put to bed in a different country, please pay attention to all of that. Once I've added that, I have to add my phone number. It's very important. They say optional, but it's always good to add your phone number. So I'm going to add my phone number, and don't forget your country code, very important. So that's my phone number. And then the next thing, that my email address, which is very important. You cannot skip this one. So I'm going to put this email address. Oh, please put in the right email address, because they are going to send your confirmation details to your Gmail or email address. So make sure it's the right one. So that's my email address, mymobenat@ayuba.com, ayuba@gmail.com. So you can confirm it again by re-putting it or by re-inputting it. So me, I don't want to take a lot of time, so I'm just going to copy and paste. It's not pasting, so let's write that down again. Please pay attention. So once you listen that down, you are going to come down. What is the highest level of education you have achieved as of today? So you're going to choose your level of education depending on you. So I'm going to choose mine, which is university degree. Now, what is your current marital status? I'm unmarried, so I'm going to choose the first one. If you are married, choose. If you are divorced, choose. If you are widowed, choose. Don't ignore this. Once you feel that number of children, I don't have any children, so I'm just going to put there 0. And then once I'm done, please verify all your details again once you're done, because once you've submitted. Verify your details to make sure they are correct. Once you're done, just click on continue.